I think the market had enough of a shock last week that what they're doing is like a man in a dark room, just reaching out to find out which way you can walk and not stumble. And I think the techs will continue to underperform here. A lot of wild cards out there. The Saudi Arabian thing and China. China's still out there, although it's not necessarily above the fold on page one. The concern is, we had the interesting opportunity to name them a
currency manipulator.
Currency manipulator, and that did not occur. So we'll see where we go from here.
The risks with Saudi, how might they manifest themselves if things don't go well?
Well, there'll be a great hue and cry, certainly in the Congress, if nothing else, and try to get things up and running. It sounds like they're trying to begin to posture this as perhaps an interrogation gone very, very bad, that something happened, he tried to escape, and that's when things are carried out. The trouble is, if we're right about the estimate of the crew of people, that's 15 witnesses or conspirators or whatever you want to call it. So that will be difficult. But if you keep watching oil here, it is not having a really big move, and that will be the central factor.
What do you make of the retail sales number today? It came in well below expectations. Is this a warning sign? Yeah, no, I think people are trying to figure out where to go and what to do. I mean, you're coming up on Christmas without Toys R Us, without a lot of Kmart, without a lot of Sears. Yeah.
So, I think it's tough for people to try and find locations where they can move into this.
Earnings season getting underway. What's the key thing to watch from companies? Is it profits? Is it margins? Is it guidance?
Well, it's probably guidance, I would think. The earnings should be good. So far, it looks like people are continuing to beat, at least marginally. How do they see the holiday season coming up, and how do they see things going? You really want to hear how difficult it is for them to find people to hire. And if the labor market continues to get tougher, that's in the back of the market's mind. Will that put inflationary pressure in there? And what will that do to the Fed?